Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. It's been about 3 months since the time has changed, and of course at the time changes when you're supposed to check them. And generally, people, the rule is check them every 6 months. But I'm telling you, check now in the wintertime. Why? Because a lot of people are burning fires in their wood-burning stoves, in their fireplaces, and you get more soot and stuff and ash out in the air, which can clog up the little sensors inside the smoke detectors. So whether you have a smoke detector that's mounted on the ceiling that's battery powered or hardwired, or you have one that's back here, I got one here that's plugged in. It's a carbon monoxide detector. Whatever it is, check them out. Do the little tests on it. Make sure it's still working. All right? Before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here you should be interested in. I'm going to put a playlist down here. I'll put another video over here, and I'll put a link to Camp Pat and Family Compound, my gardening channel over here. And I'll see you around. Take care.